What's up, guys? This is your boy Abaddon, aka Mr. Jaron Boyka, and this is my Glock 17 Gen 5. Look at that. We're gonna do a little safety check. I'm gonna have my camera person hold the camera one time real quick like that. Let's do a little safety check. See if it's empty. Yes, boy. So, this is an amazing firearm, G. Oh, God. I'm going to suggest y'all get one of these. It's nice. It's got a polymer frame. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have the finger grooves like Gen 3. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. It's freaking amazing. It has a 17 round mag. I don't have the box because the box is at home. I'm only going to do a few-minute video. You know what I'm saying? This gun is amazing. It fires like a nicely tuned Mercedes driving down the road. Let me tell you. Whoop. That's Mackenzie. She's 11.
I'm not 11. Nikki thought I turned 15. I just turned 15.
She's drinking a nice cup of coffee, you know what I'm saying? Made from her kitchen. But anyway, that's a nice can of pepper spray with the, what is that, leopard? The leopard? That's not cheetah.
That's not cheetah. Well, it's the leopard.
It's leopard. And then we got this stuff right here for black people. Y'all know y'all need to do y'all damn nappy ass weave. Hopefully this, yeah. But anyway, my videos are a little bit wild because I record off my phone for now because I don't have a camera. But, pros. I'm a fanboy, so I'm going to tell you everything about this firearm is amazing. Cons. I'm a Glock fanboy, so I'm going to tell you that everything about this gun that's supposed to be bad, well, it's not bad. It has the beaver tail. I have mine right here. Yes, I like this one because it fits really snug. You know what I'm saying? BAM! Yeah, y'all probably ain't going to watch this video, but it's okay. I'm still going to post this shit.
So we finally having coffee.
I love this because it fits good. It makes the gun feel a little bit bigger. I don't like it when it feels like it's too small in my hand. I have a big hand, so it feels small to me sometimes. This is my baby. You guys should get one though. It's great.
When I've seen this at the mall, this is the best thing in the whole entire fucking world. Not only is it my favorite color,
one thing I do not like about this, camera girl, hold that. One thing I don't like is this right here. Is there a light? This right here.
okay.
Huh? This is the recoil spray. I want to say that it's like, it looks plastic on the outside, but on the inside.
It's metal?
I do too.
I mean, my camera's not zooming in still, but it's focusing. But it feels like, yeah, you see, it kind of bends. I don't want to break it, so I'm not gonna do that too much. But outside of that, like, it's amazing. It's smooth. I'll post some more videos on it after a while when I go shoot it again. It holds 17. Matter of fact, we're gonna do a double review. Like, this is no, just leave it in there. I got this. So the next one we're gonna talk about is the Phoenix Arms 22 long rifle. It's also, let me make sure this thing's empty. Camera girl. Shout out to my camera girl, Mackenzie. Let's see. Make sure it's empty. There's nothing there. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like about this thing. I do like it, but I don't like it. When it's empty, you cannot open the slide.
Why?
That's just how it is. The breakdown on this one is, at first, is really tough. It took, what, like 2 weeks? 2 weeks to finally figure out how to break this gun down.
And firing it.
And firing it and dropping it a couple good times. Make sure it loosens up right here. This is your little takedown lever right here. Let me see if I can take that down. Camera girl! Can you see me, G?
I can see the gun, not you.
See now it's easy. Like, now I can just do it with one hand. But that's how it breaks apart.
Hi, Avery.
And then, we're going to break it down the right way.
Yeah. Put it. Huh?
That's our trusty doggy. Say what's up, girl. This is not how you do a YouTube video. Stop it. Would you watch this review? So what you do is you pull this back like so. You drop the mag. Bam. You take this lever. Well, I don't. Fluff. Am I doing this wrong? Look, guys. This ain't my firearm. This is hers. It's supposed to be pulled back when you do it, right?
All the way.
That's what I thought.
Cock it back.
This is Fluff. This firearm belongs to her. Wait a minute, close. Yeah, you're doing it right. Don't lose your spring, G.
What?
So, camera girl. And then once you get here, you wiggle it out. And let me put this back in.
Ow! That's hot!
Good coffee, though.
And then you decompress the
What kind of
spring.
instant coffee do you use?
The Nestle one I get from
Oh,
Glock, it's like
Nestle.
$5 for it.
What's up, man?
And then you release
for
the
you.
mag. And this little spring right here comes out.
And it is a pain in the ass.
It really is. So, this is your little recoil spring. I mean, hers is kind of bent, but I guess it's okay. It functions. I wish it was... That's Nikki. Right there. That's Nikki. Say what's up, Licky.
No!
Say hi, nigga. Yeah, this is
Look, we trying to enjoy our coffee over here, man.
I wish... Where'd it go?
Are you on Facebook?
No.
No, I'm on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
He's making a YouTube video.
Oh, this is the worst YouTube video ever.
It's really not. This is a lit ass YouTube. Like, everybody be practicing. Everybody be practicing in their shit. They be sitting here like, what am I gonna say in this video?
Alright, let me see
Yeah,
if I
we
can
do.
actually put it back
Well,
together.
I'm in the middle of a...
Okay.
Bro, you can't just...
Oh, yeah.
But you sitting here having all kinds of side conversations.
No, you just can't come over here and take firearms away from me, fam.
I can too because it's my firearm.
Look, on chicken
Aw,
nuggets,
look
don't
at
do
the
that.
kitty.
Gay.
Look at the
Ooh,
kitty.
a raccoon. That ain't good. Let me see.
That's a kitty. Those are shit.
But no, look.
That's
This
some
is how you
shit
put it
like
back
that.
together. You put the spring right here.
I think
There's
they're
a
called oscillants.
little
or-
ledge. Can you see that right
I
there?
don't know. I can't
Little
remember
ledge
the
under
name
here. Put that in there like that. Look, this is a phone video, so if y'all don't like it, y'all don't have to subscribe. But I need y'all to hit that subscribe button and drop 10 likes. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't, I'm going to get mad.
Why 10 likes? Why not 20?
Because you start off small, G.
Can I please put my own gun back together?
But do you not see me doing this gosh dang on video?
We better hurry up and fall
Fuck.
off 15%.
Yeah, my phone's about to die. But I love you guys anyway.
You got the worst camera ever.
I do, man. If I would have had my S8, I would have been legitly happy.
We need to make YouTube videos and become YouTube famous.
I mean, you guys
Oh,
are
dude, the way we
But
edited.
that's my thing. I'm trying to tell Josh. I said, man, if we just start recording what the fuck we do on a daily basis,
Oh my god.
they would love that
Bree
shit.
just made her a YouTube video, a YouTube page for her raps and that.
They would love that shit.
Man, I'm tired of watching rappers.
Oh look, we can do it. Really, I just gotta log into my
They are
YouTube,
fuck.
not Jess's. How do I get out of hers?
My YouTube video just went viral.
Ow!
Ah!
Oh shit.
Can I put my gun back together
Well,
now?
at least you didn't get hurt on the camera.
Look, that's why I like my YouTube video. That fucking sucked. I'm sad
She was
now.
still in front of the camera. That was mean.
Think of like, this nigga is a dummy. Alright, look, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass this firearm over this way. Because hers is hard. And y'all know how people be doing them faces, them YouTube unveilings with their faces? Here's my ugly mug, G, on everything I love, boy. Alright, here you go, camera girl. So I put mine back together because mine is fairly simple. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this beautiful barrel, by the way.
Right here, right?
I made a
Go
video.
back for you.
I made a video. Do you see the inside deck? A little bit.
Yeah.
This is their Marksman barrel. This is
You
the
don't want to have to put this bitch back.
2018. This is fairly easy to put back together. I've timed myself. It takes about,
They can see you.
what is it, 7 seconds was my fastest time putting this together
Yeah.
and getting it apart.
I want to show you.
It won't go on.
Hold on, I'll put it. Shout out to my favorite YouTuber. He's the reason why I started. Hip 45. I'm not just doing that to, you know what I'm saying? Give it. Give it. What the fuck did you do, G?
Ah, sugar doodles.
Give it here. Alright, here. Give it here. Give it here! That's all I wanted you to do. Just get it back.
So, like I was saying, Glock 17 Gen 5.
Almost had it.
It's lightweight. She did not just hit an animal on this camera.
They didn't see her.
I'm just get her, Nikki. Get her, Nikki. But
Avery, stop it! Oh, you bitch!
I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm not a big gun person like that yet. So I'm just gonna say, great firearm.
Am I looking for a gun video?
Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Abby Dabby, aka Jiren, aka Mr. Chicken Nugget. Yeah.
That's your, I think I shared it on your page. Because remember we were talking
You guys have a nice day, boy.